Hi, I am Danielle, and I'm the creator of Bridge Communication app. I wanted to do a slower video of the functions of editing on this app. I did post a video not too long ago, but it was very fast. So I wanted to give you guys a little slower update as far as editing on Bridge Communication app. This also applies for Bridge Communication Builder app. The first thing you're going to do is go to the settings gear and hold down for 5 seconds on the settings gear. And as you do, the drop down menu will appear and you release the pressure from the hold at that point. You're going to make sure that edit mode is turned on. And if you want to edit any of the default vocabulary that comes on the Bridge Communication app, you will also turn that item on as well. If you're going in to edit, there are lots of categories within the groups that all have a green thumbprint to them. If you're editing default, you can change the information on any of the vocabulary that is already preloaded on the app. If you want to load more, you can also add pages at the end of our presentation of vocabulary for that particular group, or you can go within the green thumbprint to add items. Now, I am working on a build that I use with my private practice speech kids. So if I open it up, you're going to see information that we've already edited and added to this. A lot of it, we just kind of do it as we're going along. So here's a page where nothing has been edited or added to it. So once the edit mode is on, these blank screens right here will have a plus sign on them that says add new. You simply click on it. You can add an item, which is one thing, a group, which is a folder, or a video. When you do the video, you can upload it from your camera roll or take a video directly. Let's just add an item. I'm just going to type in something. Let's see here. We're in the category of places. My daughter is getting ready to go to gymnastics, so I am going to just add gymnastics in. I'm going to keep the background color as yellow, but you can change it to anything you want. You can also turn the Spanish translation on. We haven't finished our French edition yet, so you can turn that on, but that's not going to show up on your end. If you're looking for a different type of picture, maybe for a gym or something else like that, you can type in information here under the picture search and select it with this selection option that we have below. You can also pull from a camera roll, or if you go to the internet, it is going to connect you into Safari, where you might then type in gymnastics. I'm on the Mac, so it's going to show up like this, but if you're on the iPad, it will also show up like this. What you're going to do is hold down on that selection, add it to your camera roll, and then go back out and go to your camera roll to choose the items that you are wanting to load at that point. So if I didn't want to do gymnastics and I wanted to add something for my camera roll, we were doing a lesson that had a shower cap involved. So we just did that. You could just hit use and use that image for whatever it is you're wanting, or change it back to the simple and save it. That's simply how you add. If you're adding a group, similar, all of that function is the same. If you want to change the edit to the item that you just added, just simply hold down for about 3 seconds on the item. You can add it, change it, delete it, whatever you want to do. You can also write complete sentences down here. I like to go to gymnastics.
I like to go to gymnastics.
That might be too fast. A lot of my clients, that would be too fast for them to repeat with accuracy. So I'm going to slow it down using commas. I'm going to say, I like to go to gymnastics.
I like to go to gymnastics.
And then that is a more effective speech output for imitation of skills.
I like to go to gymnastics.
Now, if you want to add more pages, you open up the settings gear again. The edit mode has to be turned on. You simply hit add new page and your new page has appeared. To add more, you just type in something else. And we can just type in mountains or the desert. and save. If you decide you don't want that page, hold down on the settings gear again. Make sure you're on the page that you want to remove. Hit remove page. Are you sure you want to remove it? Yes, and the page goes away, just like that. Those are simple ways to edit. Hope this helps, and I will send more videos in the future. Thanks so much. Ask any questions you have. We're here. Happy to help.